Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. On today's video, we will be learning how to recover your Snapchat password. Before starting today's tutorial, please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Now, to recover your Snapchat password, first of all, tap open Snapchat on your phone. Here on the homepage, you can see two options to log in and to sign up. Tap on option login. Here you can see details you have to enter to log into your account, or tap on forgot password if you have forgotten your password. Now select one of the options how you want to reset your password. In this video we will be learning how to reset your password using your email address. So tap on via email. Now type your email address and tap on submit. Now a verification email has been sent to your Gmail address. So go to Gmail app on your phone. Here on the top you can see email from Snapchat, so tap on the email. Now click on the link to reset your password for Snapchat. Now create a new password and confirm your password by re-entering the password and tap on save option. Your password has been successfully recovered. Now tap on continue to enjoy Snapchat. I hope this video helped you learn how to recover your Snapchat password. Do like and leave a comment in the comment box. Thank you.